Family travel doesn't get any better than this. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the 2025 Resonate 30C. 4 Thor features that make this perfect for family adventures. Number one, this great exterior kitchen. You're going to love cooking outside. You have a griddle on a slide-out tray, perfect for turning your campsite into a barbecue. And while we're out here, let's talk about feature number 2, massive amounts of exterior storage. Number 3, just a family-friendly floor plan. Seatbelts for 6, very comfortable seating. You have a nice sized pantry for all your favorite snacks. And setting up camp leads us to feature number 4, super easy inside or out with the touch and go control. So let's start right up front with our touch and go control, because everything you need to know about your Resonate 30C is right here. From your shore power, check all your tank levels, extend or retract your slides, emergency start, tank heaters, your water pump, everything can be controlled here, or you can download the app and use it outside your Resonate as well. Then when you want to set the auto gen start for your 4,000 watt gas generator, tap on the generator button, enable your AGS. You can also do that from the doorway, and then you can dial in all your parameters. So a super cool system, very easy to use, very intuitive, and it makes setting up your Resonate 30C a snap. While we're up here, I want to give you a super quick spin of the dash. We'll fire up that 7.3 liter V8, 335 horsepower, 468 pound-feet of torque, one-touch leveling jacks, heated remote mirrors, auto headlights. Over here, buttons to control your maintenance reminders and trip meters, cruise control, 6-speed transmission with a tow haul mode and a manual mode. The thumb pad over here controls the camera for the backup camera as well as the side view cameras, Bluetooth calls, and you can also control your infotainment center. Right now we have it on a radio page, but you press the home page and it is a touch screen. You swipe through. What would you like to listen to? Sirius XM. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Plug it in down here, download your favorite RV navigation, and now your Resonate is taking you anywhere. You can also pull up your backup camera from here, connect Bluetooth phone. There are also some settings, an equalizer, some zones. There are speakers above the sofa, so you can have your passengers listen to all your favorite jams. Cabin lights, sunshade, HVAC controls. Then down below, you have cup holders, storage, and the flip out dash workstation. Great for passengers, so when you are on the road, throw up the laptop, stream a movie, maybe get some work done, and you can do that with the Wingar Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. So get some work done here, or even watch the smart TV right over the Dream Dinette. So let's start right there. So your smart TV is right up here, and we're sitting down, we're enjoying coffee and juice. We have our phone on the wireless charger there. And what's great about the dinette is this also makes into a bed. So you're going to have seatbelts for 6, sleeping in the bedroom, sleeping on the sofa, sleeping here. There's also sleeping in the drop-down overhead bunk, so room for everyone, and you can see the front seats swivel and become part of your living area. And while we are looking around, take a look at this beautiful decor. This is Shadow Birch and the Malibu collection, a great look. I like the two-tone cabinets. It's very light, it's very airy, it's very homey, and nothing says home more than your sofa. So from here, we can watch the smart TV. Have a smart TV in your living area, a smart TV in the bedroom. There's also a TV outside, which we'll show you when we walk around. So comfortable seating here. This makes into a place to sleep. For the ride, you have the speakers up above, tons of storage for whatever you need. USB-A charging ports, cup holders, a nice shelf. Very nice place to spend some time. Seatbelts here as well. And if you want to start camping young, even a built-in child safety tether right there in the dinette. Let's head back into the kitchen. Great kitchen in here. Large, lots of counter space, big old sink. Can't go wrong with a big old sink, right? Pull down sprayer there. Nice roll out sink cover there so you can dry the dishes. Then you can put them away right up here. Maybe use this side as a pantry. Lots of storage in here as well. We have all kinds of cabinets and drawers down below as well. Stove, 3-burner gas cooktop, a microwave for all your cooking duties, so everything you need in the living area of your 30C. Right across, we have one of the 2 thermostats. This is going to be for the front roof AC. You have 2 roof ACs on here, 13,500 BTU roof AC, so you're going to keep the front section and the bedroom nice and cool. Let's check out the bathroom. Everything we need in a bathroom is here. Lots of storage, lots of counter space. You have the shower with the skylight over here. Porcelain toilet, there's a macerating system. We'll show you how to work that when we go outside and open up our wet bay. Great midship bath, room for everyone, the privacy and space you need when you are out on the road. Refrigerator is right here. This is a 12-volt fridge. And then right here, a nice large pantry. So plenty of shelves for all the bigger items, fit appliances. That's one of the things I love about the 30C floor plan, is just how user-friendly it is. It's designed to take you and your family and friends anywhere you want to go in comfort. And this is pure comfort when it is time to sleep. This is a king-size bed. Look at that, we have shelves there for books and charging ports for all of the tablets and phones, storage up above, reading lights. And what's great about this bed is when this slide wall is in, the mattress will come right up to here. So if you are boondocking for the night, you're somewhere where you don't have to put out the slide, even with the slides in, you can still walk on back, use everything in the 30C and climb on in and then have a comfortable sleep. And then grab your clothes in the morning. Check out the size of this closet. Massive wardrobe back here, 2 drawers down below. And then over here we have a dresser and a dresser top, charging ports. There's the other thermostat for the bedroom AC. Plugs. Yes, you have nice blinds all the way around to block out the sun. And that's a great thing to do on those hot days. Just take and close all of the blinds in your Resonate. That way it will keep the interior cool and those ACs will run a lot more efficiently. Smart TV, storage behind. Just a great family-friendly floor plan, even for your furry friends. Look at that. You have a pull-out pet dish here, so they can have their food, their fresh dog drinks, and if they are back here, they can stay comfortable because they have their own roof AC. And again, because you have the auto gen start with that 4,000 watt gas generator, you can set the trigger so if you are off on an excursion, you know your buddies are going to stay comfortable. But setting up camp is very easy with the touch and go, and then you're going to want to hook up your plumbing, pull everything out of the storage bays. So let's go ahead and walk around the outside of this 30C and show you how to use everything outside. How about a quick tour down all 31 feet, 11 inches of this 30C? We'll start with this power patio awning. What's great about this is when you are set up, you can just press the button inside the door. And when we get to the door, I'll show you exactly where that is. The awning goes out, you set up your camp chairs, and you're just enjoying time away from the grind, right? All the stuff that gets to you, just unwind out at camp. Maybe pull the golf bags out of this large storage bay. Yeah, this is massive. Look at this. We got camping chairs in here. Use it for whatever you need, set it up, bring along all the things you need to have a great time. You're gonna have room for it, but maybe you set the camping chairs in there. Now they're set up at camp. How about drive-in movie? Smart TV outside as well. You've established that WineGuard 4G connection. Now you can stream all your favorites right to here. All the apps are built right in. Now in the door, real quick, couple of things. The blue button, this is to set the auto gen start on your touch and go control. Then you have control panels for your 100 watts of solar. Then the button for your awning, step light button for your inverter, 12-volt battery disconnect switch. So all of those right inside your entryway. As we work on down to the next bay, right here we have our batteries, a pet tie down, a little bit of storage in here. So just tie your buddy up right there and then they'll stay at camp for you. But if you're cooking on that griddle, they're not going anywhere. A couple of GFCI 110, so anything you want to plug in out here, you can. You have to be plugged into that 50 amp shore power or have the generator running for that to be operational. Another large storage bay here. These are all rotocast material. There's a drain plug in the back, so this will not mildew, it will not mold, it will not get bay stank. You can wash these out, throw whatever you need in there, and then rinse them out, and they'll be ready to go for your next trip. This is your fresh water fill, 50 gallons of fresh water, 40 black, 40 gray. And when you are ready to drain that fresh water tank, the valve is right there. Just turn it, away you go. You're also going to notice each bay has its own light. Right here, propane connection for, oh, I love this. Look at this. Black stone griddle on a slide out tray. You just press the buttons down, out it comes. This is going to be your 17-inch griddle. Anything you want to do, you get this seasoned up, you plug this into the port, and away you go. Everything is back here, from a paper towel holder. You have a bottle opener back there, hot and cold for your exterior spray, tankless hot water on here as well, and then all kinds of storage up here for whatever you need. 110s there. This is a great exterior kitchen, so everything you need for outdoor cooking. I would be using this even if it was a light sprinkle outside. You can stand under this. You can't go wrong with having the griddle. As we work our way to the back of the Resonate, up top, nice and high, that is the backup camera we showed you on the infotainment center. The ladder leads up to the one-piece cross flex roof. That is a synthetic thermoplastic, easy to clean, easy to maintain, puncture resistant. Fuel fill is right here. Steel bumper and your 8,000-pound hitch out back. Love having a hitch so you can bring along a tow vehicle and set up a camp, and away you go. Over here is our 4,000-watt gas generator. Again, you set the auto gen start from the touch and go control. Then in here, maybe it's tool bags. We have our 50-amp detachable shore power cord. I like that it's detachable so you can store it in whatever bay suits you best. So when you're packing heavy, you can just kind of tuck it away and away you go. All these bays are going to lock and stay secure for you. Propane fill is going to be right down here. You're going to need your propane on for your hot water, for your heat, and to fire up that griddle. Right here is our 50-amp shore power cord plug. Plug that in and you hook that up to camp. Up top, connection for cable if there is cable at the camp. And you notice on the slides here, we have what appears to be two awnings. Those are actually slide toppers. So when it starts to get fall like it is here in Indiana and the leaves start to fall and you have your slides out, the leaves will not get on the top of the slide, in between the slide and the mechanism. They'll be right there in the slide topper. So when the wall goes in, all the leaves and what I like to call sky garbage will roll right off. While we're out here, notice this is called Sonic Blue HD Max. What's nice about the HD Max is this is going to be the same color all the way through the fiberglass. City water connection is right here, and that takes us right into our wet bay. We talked about a macerating system that's right here. You just hook up your Stinky Sleeky, or what I like to call it, the Potty Python right there. You pull your termination handles, exterior shower, hot and cold. You have your tank flush right there. Nice contained wet bay. Again, you have heat pads on your black tank and your gray tank. If you like a little cold weather camping, not gonna be a problem in your 30C. Tankless hot water right there. That is the exhaust. Another very large storage bay. I told you, just a ton of storage on here. How about another one? How about another one? Tons of storage. So again, just about anything you want to take along in the Resonate 30C, you can do. It is great for family adventures no matter where you want to go. So pick your destination, and while you're online picking out a place to go, head on over to thormotorcoach.com and build your own.